Welcome to ReShoot 360 tutorials. Today, we will see the video filter Mirror Planet. Before starting, select a 360 video you would like to edit. Now, select the preset video. Select the type of social network you target. Select the video filter Mirror Planet. You can see a preview of your final video, and you can modify some parameters of the filter. Each parameter can be modified with the slider and more precisely with buttons plus and minus. Trim parameter allows to change the duration by trimming the 360 video. Use the vertical sliders to change the start and the end. The preview automatically updates according to the slider you are using. You can also use the round slider to move the trimming. Mirror type parameter changes the type of mirror used. You can try the different options and see how it changes your video. Mirror edge parameter defines where the mirror starts in the mirror planet. Mirror shift parameter allows to shift the mirror edge. Rotation parameter changes the rotation of the mirror planet. Zoom parameter changes the zoom applied on the mirror planet. You can play the preview by using the play button. Click again on the screen to pause the preview. You can also use the slider to seek in the preview. Now, you can export the final video. Use the button in the top right corner. Your video is saved on your device in the album ReShoot 360. You will find even more options to edit your 360 content in the editor. Thank you for watching and have a good day.